Pivot point lesson number 2B. We start with case study number 1. Let's take an example, very simple example of July 31st Nifty NSE Index. Pivot point was 7811. Nifty opened at 7820, jumped to 7825, and within no minutes it opens at 9:15, and by 9:17, say within 2 minutes, cross pivot point 7811 downwards and slide to 7752 and bounce back to 7784 at the time of closing. If any trader would have sold Nifty below 7811 and stop loss of rupees 10, say 7821, could win 27 to 59 points without any hard work. Stop loss did not trigger because once it crossed 7811, never breached upward this level. So the traders could win good points just by selling below pivot points. You may ask, if it opened at 7820, we should have purchased instead of selling. But I am repeating that within no minute it falls below 7811. So we had the opportunity to sell, not to buy. And by selling below 7811, we managed to make profits. Next, take another example of next day, August 1, 2014. Nifty NSE Index pivot point is 7741. Nifty opened at 7671, much below pivot point, and jumped to 7744. Means it moved up to the level of pivot point only and dropped again to 7610. Isn't it magic that high of the day is near pivot point only and low is near support 3? As per rule, we will sell below 7741 and stop loss of few points above pivot point. And targets are 7691, 7660 and 7610. Traders made 50 to 130 points in a day depending on their appetite to digest profits. 50 point is a minimum amount where even the most conservative trader had to make that much profit, because once it fall, 50 point was the clear fall from that level. Now I am showing you the same in a picture. It is easy to digest and easy to understand also. Now the market opens below S1, and once it cross S1, traders should take buy position and stop loss below S1. S1 is 7691. Once it's moved above 7691, we will buy and keep the stop loss below 7691. Once it crossed upward 7691, so it didn't correct it downward below 7691, means then there was no chances of stop loss, and our target is pivot point. Remember, we are bullish about S1 till it reaches to pivot only. Our strong bull trigger will be above pivot point only. So whatever we have purchased above S1, we will sell it at pivot point, and as well as we will create short position, and we will keep stop loss above pivot point, which is 7741. Say if we take sell at below 7741, then our stop loss will be 7750 or 51, 10 points above pivot point. But it didn't. It made the high of 7744 also, 44 only. It means our stop loss is not going to be triggered. Now when it starts falling on 8th candle, when it breached S1, it breached in same candle only, although it closed at S1, means we should not book here because it has breached S1 also, so we will not book profit at S1. Now take from this candle, third candle again breached S2 and didn't stop at S2, means we should not book even there. So we will now wait for S3, which is 7611. If we trade scientifically following every level, pivot point, S1, S2 and S3, we are going to get 130 points in a single day. And if we would have been wrong, our stop loss was of 10 points. Just imagine risk reward ratio is 1:10. Means if we are wrong, we will lose 10 points. If we are right, we have gained 130 points. In earlier slide, I mentioned that even a conservative trader will also win 50 points on this day, and aggressive trader will book at least 130 points. So this is the magic, this is the beauty of pivot point. We will take more case studies and will understand how magical these pivot points are. You know what is the basic rule of trading? It is making small money into big money. And that is only possible when we will keep our stop losses limited and we will run our profits to the extent it can be with the trailing stop loss or with the help of next levels S1, S2, S3 or R1, R2, R3, either side when the market price movement is. So you can understand with even two case studies that how important pivot points are and how helpful trading tool it is, how good system it is to trade and to make profit out of it. So this was the completion of lesson number 2B. Now we will go to lesson number 2C with another case studies. Thank you.